Second working sets exercise natin, Miss Lilac, ano tayo, 4 na exercise tayo. So, dead row yung from the first set of exercise natin, yung deadlift tsaka row, pagsasamahin na natin ngayon as 1. Tapos, split squat. So, medyo smaller range ng lunges naman to. Tapos, third exercise natin, squat jump. So, tatalon tayo for 10 repetitions lahat yon. And last one is standing dead bug. Okay, so pakita na natin. Again, 10 repetitions each. Set natin yung weights pala, dumbbell natin. So, dagdagan natin ng konti. 15 to 20 pounds. Okay, yung dumbbell natin. So, simulan natin. Dead row. Pakita natin, profile agad tayo. So, from here, sa gilid yung dumbbell. So, deadlift, pull, and rise. That's 1. So, deadlift, row, maintain yung form, baba, tayo tayo. Dead row, that's 2. Inhale, exhale, inhale, rise up. Okay? Maintain natin yung form ng deadlift. Avoid swinging, slide bend sa knees. Tapos, pagbaba, squeeze yung upper, middle back, and then rise. Okay? So, working yung posterior chain, the core, arms natin especially. Okay, tsaka yung back. Kasama na yung biceps, upper back, lats, yung waist natin, tsaka yung legs. Okay, full body workout. Alright, so switch na tayo sa susunod, which is split squats. So check, firmer set stance. Alright, pakita natin. Step back lang ng konti. Okay, from here, step back. Okay, mga half na foot lang. So from ito, yung pantay, this is yung, 1 foot away, half pa. Alright? So, around 5 centimeters or 5 inches pala. Alright, so, bend, inhale, exhale up. So, 10. So, down, 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 up. Pakita natin profile. Make sure upright pa rin yung paa natin, ay yung likod, yung torso, yung katawan. Inhale, exhale up. So, ito, loading sa front leg glutes, yung focus. Tapos, yung back leg, yung nakataas yung heels natin. Alright? More on the quads, yung target niya. So, inhale, inhale, inhale. Up. Hindi tayo magsuswitch dito, 10 repetitions per leg. So, kabila. Again, pakita natin. Hindi magkocross yung legs. Dito lang. Alright? So, open. Half step yung distance. No, balance. So, inhale down. Exhale up. Lowest point natin. Okay, yung almost tatama yung back knee sa floor. Tapos check. Front knee. Iwasan natin lalampas sa toes natin. Okay, another profile natin. Pakita natin ulit. Other leg naman nasa harap. Sumaba ko. So, check. Yung distance ng paa. Inhale. Okay, check. Hindi lumampas, di ba? Keep natin yung torso na nakataas. Inhale down. Exhale up. Okay. So again, assume natin 10 each leg na yan. Switch naman tayo sa third exercise natin. Sa same set. Okay, so walang rest. Squat jump tayo, ma'am. Pa a bit wider. Shoulder width. Touch yung floor. Jump up. Inhale. Exhale up. All the way up yung pagtalon. Tapos, kung kaya natin tahimik yung paglanding, mas maganda. So, 10 repetitions. That's the goal. Increase yung heart rate. Okay? Burn tayo ng maraming calories. Tapos, work natin yung legs. From your stance, hands up, dead bug tayo. So, tuloy-tuloy. Touch natin. Opposite hand to your other toe. Touch natin profile. So, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. So, for this one, this is active recovery na natin. Habang hinihingal tayo, maintain pa rin natin mataas yung heart rate. Okay? Tapos, work natin yung mobility and flexibility ng katawan natin. Okay, so, 10 each leg. Okay, so that's your second round of exercise. Hingal ako. Okay. Again, Rest natin is 30 seconds to 2 minutes maximum. Minimum rounds of sets is 4. Okay po, 4 hanggang kaya natin mag 8. Okay, that's very good. Pero 4 muna yung minimum natin.